Hi, my name is Johnny Timmons with MarineMax Seabrook. Today we're going to walk through our brand new 2018 460 Sea Ray Sundancer. I'm going to take a couple steps back, just kind of show you a few of the key features that we added to this boat. This is the swim platform that we're standing on. This happens to be the gourmet kitchen that we added as an option for the boat. Got electric grill, freshwater wash down right here. I'm standing aboard a hydraulic swim platform that you'll notice right over here has a set of stairs that's actually going to come out as the swim platform actuates in a down position. We actually ordered this boat with teak cockpit. The sure shade up here, that way you can stay in the shade in those hot summer days. A couple of unique features to the 46 Sea Ray Sundancer that I really like. This is new for 2018. This is an aft docking station. Joystick control, Cummins diesel power, straight shafts, with a bow and a stern thruster that you can operate independently or all in one with the joystick. You've also got it as well at the helm. Rockford Fosgate for your zone out here. Got a zone inside of the salon and a zone all the way at the foredeck as well. Unique to the 460 and new as of 2016, this is an aft cockpit slider. So I'm going to hit the button here. She's going to slide out a good 18 inches. Just open that cockpit up a little bit more once you get to your destination. Double sliding glass doors, opens up the salon. You'll notice we've got a galley aft, kind of a new look for Sea Ray for the last 2 years. Really opens the entire salon up. Small little 10-inch step up, and now we've got great visibility, 365 degrees all the way throughout the boat. I've got the sunroof open. With those back doors closed, the sunroof open, running at 25 knots. Very few decibels of sound, very light breeze coming through the boat. New for 18 from Ray Marine was added to this boat. This is the Axiom upgrade. This is some of their newer technology, newer radar. Got a myriad of buttons we can push here and different displays. Again, joystick operation here. Same as back there in the cockpit, bow stern thruster, and then you can tie them all together with the joystick. If you want to run traditional, you've got the normal DTS controls right here for the Cummins. I'm going to work my way down. We've got a short amount of time. VIP stateroom forward. Now this is a unique bed. It actually is going to split and open up this way. We ordered this with the queen topper. So if we want to take the queen topper off, we can have two singles, one on a port, one on the starboard side. Double hanging lockers. In-suite access to the head. Great storage closet for all your sundries. And I'm going to work my way back to the master. Unique to our 460, there's actually an option to put a settee in. We ordered ours with the double storage. We find that a lot of our owners like to use their boats as floating condos. This gives you more storage for those long extended weekends. Queen berth, Bose surround sound. You'll notice all the cabinetry throughout the boat. This is French walnut. Really nice finish. No fingerprints. Easy to maintain. Also, we ordered the boat with carpet runners all the way throughout the entire yacht. We walk through with shoes. We find that a lot of people do that, or wet feet. Works out really well. Don't have to wear the carpet down. Again, my name is Johnny Timmons, MarineMax Seabrook. This is the 2018 460 Sea Ray Sundancer.